Oh, I think we may have a carp on here, guys. Oh, fish on. Feels decent. Might be let's see what we got. Catfish here. It's a decent one. You can see him there. Targeting carp. And first fish of the day is a channel catfish. And go ahead and give him a release. Targeting the pop-up boilie there. There he goes. He'll be just fine. So you can see the first fish of the day. Nice channel cat. So today what I'm doing is going for carp, one of my favorite spots, and using the method feeder. Check out that last video where I used the method feeder, pretty effective, where I caught 5 carp. And pretty much using the same setup that I've always been using. We have 3 rods out. Have a pop-up boilie on this one. On this second rod here, we have, I think we had the banana nut hook bait to a piece of pop-up corn, banana flavored, by Leaner Bait and Company. And then on this last rod here, I have 2 pieces of banana corn, Leaner Bait Company. So it's very windy today, 15 mile per hour winds. Still cold. It's gonna make it a little bit difficult for the carp bite just because the lines are moving a lot in the water, so we might just be getting catfish today. So anyways, guys, stay tuned and we'll get this one out in the water. Fish on. Get him over here. Alright. There we go. Oh, I think we may have a carp on here, guys. Oh, he came off. Or wait, no, he's on. Oh, it looked like it was off for a second. This seems like a good one. This seems like more like a carp. I don't have my net with me because I just caught that catfish. Oh Lord. The luxury of catching fish. Can't even see him yet, but he's slowly coming up here. Had to get that catfish out of that net real quick so I can try to get this carp. Can't see him yet. Oh, it feels like at least a 10-pounder. nice one. Nice carp. He's a little fighter. I always say the small ones fight really good. They're just full of energy. Just trying to tire him out here, just trying to keep pressure on the fish. Got him. Whew. So this is our channel catfish. Sorry about all the rocks on him. He's about 4 pounds. This is our first fish of that double. We're gonna go ahead and release him. There he goes. He's been out of the water for a while. Now I have to get this carp situated. Just landed our first carp. This is our first carp of the day. Look at that one. Beautiful fish. Now we're gonna go ahead and release her. So we're going to go ahead and release her. All right. All right. There she goes, and she gave me a little goodbye with that whip of the tail. That's top tactic fishing right there. We're gonna get these back in the water. We had another double 4-pound channel catfish, and then we had this 15-pound carp. So I gotta say, in this area, the boilies have been working really well. Pop-up boilies, that is. The CC Moore NS1 pop-up has done really well for me. Get a nice cast there. Oh, fish on. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I was literally reeling this one in, and I must have snagged foul hooked something here. I'm not sure. It feels like a big one for sure. I think this is a carp. Oh man. It feels like a good one. Yeah, another carp. Oh, I can't see him too well. But it's a carp, I know that. Yeah, it's another teen one. Probably in the teens for sure. Geez, I don't know if he's foul hooked or if he really did take the corn. I am not sure. when I was reeling in, I didn't feel anything on the end of my line until like halfway through when I was reeling it in. No, you know what? He's actually hooked. He's actually hooked in the mouth. Which is what I thought I foul hooked him. Holy moly. Trying to get him closer over here. Does have a little bit of a girth on him. I'm really just manhandling my rod right now because we are so close to the bank. Got him. Another decent one too. Look at this one, guys. Second carp of the day. I'm guessing she'll probably go 18 pounds. This was caught in the Wiener Bait Company banana corn. Pretty good bait. If you guys haven't checked it out, check them out on Facebook. She's a beauty. We're gonna go ahead and release her. This is a 18-pound carp. So we've caught 15 pounds, now an 18-pounder. Carp are catching some big ones today. Go ahead and release this one. There she goes. Back into the depths. Let me see. Oh yeah, we got a fish on here. Catfish here, guys. This is our third channel cat. That's the smallest of the day. This is the fifth fish of the day, third channel catfish. Go ahead and release them. That one was on the pop-up boilie. Got a big one on here. I really need to get a drop net at some point. He's fighting against me for sure here. Trying to bring him all the way over here so I can land him. Can't see how big he is, but he looked pretty big from the splash he had. It can be difficult to judge the weight of carp on the end of your line sometimes because the fact they move so much that you don't have time to really judge the power and the weight of them because they're just moving around. Ooh, he looks pretty long. He definitely looks longer. Not nearly as big as some of the, I don't think as big as the second one, but either way, very beautiful fish. Alright. Got him. Another one to the mat. Third common carp of the day. All right, guys, so we got our third carp. Look at that one. This one's a nice one. We'll definitely get a weight on her before we release her. But this one was caught on the Leaner Bait Company banana hook bait with the banana corn. 19 pounds. And I literally could not be happier for that. We're gonna go ahead and release this carp. Wow. And this one's like a 31 incher. All right. And she's eager to get back in there. There you go. Top tactic fishing. All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it quits for today. I would love to stay out longer, but I have to go home and watch the kids. But we ended up catching 6 fish. We caught a 3-channel catfish and 3 carp. The biggest carp going 19 pounds, my new personal best. The first carp was 15 pounds. Second carp was 18 pounds, and this third carp was 19 pounds. So, and we're on a low tide right now, guys. It's been a really good year for me so far with these carp, and you know, I just know there's bigger ones in here, and I just can't wait to see what the rest of this year holds. Anyways, guys, give a thumbs up for this video, and we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing. Take care.